the BAC 111 family. The new 475, rolled out and flown from the BAC production centre at Herne near Bournemouth in March 1971, is the specialised 111 for operation on the country air routes of the world the jet age has so far left behind. Already orders have come from abroad, and this aircraft will be in service with Fawcett of Peru in July 1971. Designed with an impressive short takeoff and landing capability and a complete low-pressure tire system, the 111-475 can operate from low-strength runways, from gravel strips and from short, hot and high airfields such as those in Peru. The 475 incorporates all the latest aerodynamic and systems improvements of its big sister, the new 111-500, including a big increase in takeoff weight of up to 97,500 pounds. Development flying, using BAC's own 111, has already proved the 475's versatility. It carries up to 89 passengers at cruise speeds up to 550 miles per hour over distances ranging from as little as 70 miles to as much as 1,700 miles. BAC 111s are now in service with over 40 operators serving destinations in 50 countries worldwide.
Line up 28 right. 6536, line up 707, clear for takeoff. Seven is clear for takeoff. Line 580, clear for takeoff, straight ahead through 2,500 feet before turning.
With continuing production development and sales, the BAC 111 is the right jet for the 70s.